Hey guys, so today we're reviewing this Jack Power portable power bank. So I wanted to do a review this because I picked this one up off of Amazon and I thought it was pretty cool. First off, the size is pretty good. You can see in my hand there how it fits. So compared to some other like bigger models, I've had some that almost have like a handle on them and they're just a lot bulkier. This one's way more portable. Just to show you, this is another option that I'm talking about. This can't even really fit on screen versus this one, which is a lot more portable. It's a flatter design. You can easily put this in a bag and take this with you. So it's got 3 power sources. You got 2 USBs here that are 5 volts each. And then over here you have the AC 110 volt, 85 watt out. So there's separate buttons. So hitting that right button there will turn that on. You can see it gives you a power indicator, which I like. So it's showing 99% now. It even shows you kind of a rough estimate of hours. So it's telling me I got 70 hours. So that's pretty cool. So that's for the right side. For the left side, this one, you just have to hold down a little longer. You hold about 5 seconds and then the light's gonna pop on the left there. 22 hours and it's showing the 99% battery life there. So a little bit different, battery level with the left side using the AC out. But that's pretty neat because you have a full size AC port right there where you can, plug in your laptop and things like that. So it's a little more versatile than, typical like cell phone power bank. And the thing you'll notice too is when you do have this AC portion on, there are fans on like the side here. You can feel a little bit of actually the wind coming from that. That is there to help keep it cool as well, which is a nice feature. So to just turn that off, again, you're just gonna hold that down and you'll hear the fans go off and then that green light over here will go off as well. Over on the right side, you've got kind of your input for the power right there. So that's where your charging cable is going to go in. There's also a 45 watt input here that is type C. So that is not provided inside of the box for this, but if you had a separate quick charging 45 watt type C cable, then you could quick charge this to refill the charge. There's just a little close up of the specs on the bottom there for the output, the capacity. So it's 27,000 milliamp hours, so it'll last you a good amount of charge. Some of the claims that they say are basically you can do 2.5 charges of like a 12-inch MacBook, 6.5 charges for an iPhone 11, 3.5 charges for an iPad mini 4. So there's a little bit of an example if you wanted some comparisons, but it lasts a pretty long amount of time. It's easy to recharge. I like how portable it is. So I think it's a pretty neat option. It comes in right now at the time of editing this, $99.99, and there's a $5 coupon. So it'd be about 95 bucks on Amazon. And the link to this will be below down there in the description. That is an affiliate link, so that does help me out if you make any purchases through there. And this is a good portable option for, you can bring this with you to power photography equipment, power your drone, things like that. Your camera, if you typically worry about running out of battery life. So this is a good portable option. And I really like that AC port, but then you can also use the USB for your phones and smaller devices as well. If this video was helpful to you guys, please drop a like down there below. Also make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.